There are many ways to factor when your leading coefficient is not a 1. There's the bottoms up method, works great. I love that. There's some kind of like 7-step method. There's many different ways. The way that I will be teaching you is called the tic tac but no toe method. All right, so what we're going to do is identify my A, B, and C. See, I learned this by the guess and check method. It was just like figure out what the numbers are going to be and test it by foiling and see if it works. And that was a horrible method. It took forever to get some of these answers. This method is very systematic and will work each time. Make yourself a little box. It's kind of like where we get the tic tac but no toe. And what we're going to put is the A times C in quadrant 2. We're going to put the B in quadrant 3. All right, so A times C is 4 times 3, which is 12. And the B is 13. Now, I want my factors to multiply to give me 12, but add or subtract to give me 13. So I'm looking for the factors of 12, which are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. All right, the ones that can make 13 are 1 and 12. So I will take the 1 and 12, they add up to be 13, and place them in either box. Okay, let's look at our signs and go back to your sign rules that we made in previous videos. This is a plus, so we know that these signs will be the same as each other. This is a plus, they're both going to be positive. So I've got a positive 1 and a positive 12. Okay, these are long, I realize, but systematically, if you learn the method, it'll be easier. Take your A and put it over your first answer. That is 4 over 1. And then you have to reduce if it'll reduce. If not, it's ready to work and change into a binomial. Now take your 4, your A, and put it over your second answer, 12. And then you have to reduce it. I'm going to divide them by 4, and I get 1 over 3. Now he's ready to work. Okay, take your fractions and make your binomials. The numerator will go in front of the variable, so that's 4x. And then since it's positive, it'll be plus 1. And then here, this will be 1x plus 3. Okay, now just to test yourself to make sure, hey, am I correct? We have to go back and FOIL it. So the first terms are 4x squared. The outside terms are 12x. The inside terms are 1x. And the last terms are 3. 12x plus x is 13x. So go back and look. Did I have 4x plus 13x plus 3? I did. So the correct answer is right here. Tic tac but no toe.